In this lecture, we will be working with search page or the exploration page for our hotel rooms. When you click on search, you will be redirected to this page. This is a page where all the hotel rooms that you have created or the demo data will be present here. So all the hotel rooms will be shown here and you can filter them with pricing, services and extra services. You also have feature to filter them with this check-in, check-out, guest and nights. So let's work with this page. So if you click on hotel room, for example small room, you will be redirected to the hotel room page where you can find some description, room services around the hotel and the similar rooms. But if you go to book this room, you will be redirected to any other page that you don't want, because we need to book this room, so we will need to first configure it. So let me show you how you can configure the search page. First of all, you will need to open the booking settings. Click on the booking plugins and then you will be in this page in the booking. First of all, let's configure the currency, because you can see it shows book now for 30, but we don't know which is the currency. So let's use dollar or Indian rupees or any other currency that you want to show. For now, I'm using dollars. There is something called as email notification. I will be using template 1 for now. And you can also change the price range. For example, in this explore page, we have range from $1 to $700. If you want to change it, you can change here. And this is a default value. When the page loads, you will be always redirected with the 350. Now, this is the search page. Go ahead and change this page to a search page, booking page, booking, checkout page, checkout, terms and conditions, account. Okay, we don't have, account and order page. So click on the save changes and now the search page has been configured. Let's try to book our hotel room. Okay, let's make it bigger. Let's try to book for the small room. Let's check in at 28 and check out at 31. Guest 1, nights 3. Let's book it. Now you are redirected to the booking page. Awesome, right? Before you were redirected to the about us page, which was weird, but you are now redirecting to the correct booking page. Now let's try to add some services. And now let's fill our information. And yeah, it's done. You can add something in request, arrival, coupon if you have, and let's check out. Now let's see if you are in the checkout page. Yeah, so this is my all information, and let's click on payment on arrival, and now let's book it up. Awesome. I think the booking has been done. Let's see if the booking has been created. Let's see all the orders. Awesome. So our booking has been added here. Thank you. Our booking has been added, but we used payment on arrival. How to enable this feature for the payment? It's very simple. Click on the bookings plugin, then the payment settings, and enable pay on arrival. See, payment on arrival. This is the feature we have enabled. If you don't want any other like booking request or Stripe or PayPal, you can remove it or add it. In the next lecture, I will be showing you how you can configure other booking plugins. Thank you.